Welcome, engineers. Today we're looking at the HP to amps interactive calculator, which solves a fundamental problem in motor sizing and electrical system design, converting between mechanical horsepower and electrical current draw. Let's explore the inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode dropdown. This offers 6 options: single-phase AC HP to amps, 3-phase AC HP to amps, DC motor HP to amps, single-phase amps to HP, 3-phase amps to HP, and DC motor amps to HP. For our demonstration, we'll select 3-phase AC HP to amps, which is common in industrial applications. Next, we have the horsepower HP input field where you enter your motor's rated horsepower. Below that is the voltage V field for your system voltage. The efficiency percentage field accounts for motor efficiency losses. Finally, there's the power factor field, which represents the phase angle between voltage and current in AC systems. Let's work through a practical example. I'll enter 15 for a 15 horsepower motor. For voltage, I'll input 480, standard for industrial 3-phase systems. Motor efficiency varies, but 92% is typical for modern motors. Power factor depends on load conditions. I'll use 0.85, common for motors at full load. Click Calculate. The current draw result shows approximately 19.8 amps. This is your expected steady-state current at full load. This current value is critical for selecting proper wire gauge, circuit breakers, and motor starters. It ensures your electrical infrastructure can safely handle the motor's demands. One key insight: never forget that starting current can be 6 to 8 times this calculated running current. Always size your components accordingly. Find the link in the description below.